Okay, here we go. I did some shoveling. I go out my door and out my driveway. Right here it's a confirmed 51 inches. I measure with a measuring tape. Here's my van underneath that mess. I got one path halfway out my driveway. And then I got a path going up to my front door. And right here I have a confirmed 58 inches, which is basically the same height as my porch. Actually, it's a little bit above my porch railing all the way out. That's the street right there, which you can't even see. Here's my street sign way over there. Yeah, up on the porch. It's hard to tell with the video, but there's a drift going all the way across the road from the street sign in front of my neighbor to the edge of my driveway. Can't tell in the video, but it's got to be 8 feet high, I'd say.